Let's multiply the two matrices at the top of the screen. Press Alpha, then Zoom to open the matrix maker. The rows and columns both start at 2. We need 3 columns, so arrow up into the column list, highlight 3, and press Enter. Then arrow down to OK and press Enter. There's our empty 2x3 matrix. Fill in the top row, pressing the right arrow to move from box to box. Another right arrow drops you to the bottom row. Type its numbers the same way. Press the right arrow once more to step outside the brackets. Then press the times key. Now, for the second matrix, open the matrix maker again. Alpha, then Zoom. This one needs 3 rows and 2 columns. Arrow up to the row list, highlight 3, and press Enter. Then highlight 2 in the column list and press Enter. Then arrow down to OK and press Enter again. Fill in its numbers the same way, working across each row. Press Enter, and there's the product, a 2x2 matrix on the right. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.